Question 15. A, B and C are 3 points such that A to B is 3A plus 4B and A to C is 15A plus 20B. Prove that A, B and C lie on a straight line. Well, in order for them to be on a straight line, one needs to be the multiple of the other to show they both go in the same direction, and they need to have a point in common. Now, they both have the point A in common, so I just need to see that one is a multiple of the other. And I can see quite clearly here 3 times 5 is 15, 4 times 5 is 20. And so A to C can be written as 5 lots of A to B. And so since A to C is a multiple of AB, and they have a point in common, then A, B and C must be in a straight line. D, E and F are 3 points on a straight line such that D to E is 3E plus 6F and E to F is minus 10.5E minus 21F. Part B, find the ratio of the length of DF to the length of DE. Now, we do not have DF yet, but D to F is the same as going from D to E and then E to F. So D to F is the sum of D to E plus E to F. 3 minus 10.5e is minus 7.5e, and 6f minus 21f is 15f. Since d to f is minus 7.5e minus 15f, then we can see that d to f is minus 2.5 times de. Minus 2.5 times 3 is minus 7.5, minus 2.5 times 6 is minus 15. And so the ratio of df to de is 2.5 to 1. Of course, we don't like decimals in our ratios here, and so multiplying both sides of this by 2, I can write this ratio as 5 to 2.